And one of the things that was very encouraging early on was the realization of this, kind of community around Yiddish, because it's still kind of a fringe within the Jewish community. I remember my first sviva that I went to. Right after the end of the YIVO summer course in 2003, I had gone to a commemoration of the night of the murdered Soviet poets, and I had met about half a dozen people who were there while I was at YIVO, and they said, "Oh, why don't you come with us? Going to a sviva," and I wasn't quite sure what a sviva was at that point, but it was a gathering. I think we were at Shoshka Rezel Yuni's house, and just that there was like this group of people. They opened up, they met at somebody's house. It was so warm. The conversation was all in Yiddish. At that point, I was, still very much a novice. So, it was kind of like taking it all in. But there was sort of like the impression of like a cohesive community, and that the social aspect of it was probably just as much what drew me further into it than the intellectual side of it.